This sleet from Winter Storm Fern has made this almost like concrete. So the Yarbo snowblower is good, but it is not going to break up this incredibly hard ice. So what I have to do is take this snow shovel and break it up first, and then I'll feed it into the snowblower module, which you can see I also took off the fencing, which I don't recommend, but that's the only way to get this ice into the Yarbo snowblower. As you can see, this is incredibly hard. Just make sure you have the chute facing away from you. So let's see what we could do now. This technique I don't recommend, but it's been working for me to save my back.